Hello, guys, and welcome to another informative video here on the Informed Household channel. Now, as you know, I am a technical financial accountant, and implementing easy technical accounting workflows and systems is my weakness. Now, probably like you, I have a 9 to 5 job, and juggling that, side hustles, and juggling family is used to be a headache for me. Now, I had to find a way to leverage automated systems when it comes to my businesses. Now, I want to show you guys a system I had been working on, putting together a system that actually works for me and my clients. Watch the video till the end as I show you how I go about doing my books in 60 minutes or less a month. Now, this is for my work less, earn hard people by basically letting AI do all of the admin work for you while you copy, paste, and stay away from SARS penalties. Stay tuned, guys. Now, this is how my master cash book spreadsheet looks like. So basically, when you get your copy of the ebook, you basically get a master spreadsheet and other documents accompanied with it. So as you can see, this is just a user manual, just step by step to show you how to use the system and how to make your life way easier. Now, the next step is I am going to show you how to get rid of the shoebox system and adapt to an AI automated system. So we're going to go ahead and search for Google Sheets. So we're going to go ahead and open an Excel sheet. So this Excel sheet comes with the 60-minute month end ebook. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on File to open my master spreadsheet. So I click on Open, click on my master spreadsheet, and there you have it. So my 60-minute month end ebook comes with this Excel spreadsheet. So up next, this is how I basically got rid of the shoebox system. I now use Google Drive to store all of my receipts from my suppliers and any other business documents. So I'll go ahead and log into my Google Drive using my account. And I want to show you how to create a folder in Google Drive to store all of your receipts in order as per month. So you're going to go ahead and create a new folder. You're going to go ahead and rename it. We're going to call this one Daily Receipts 2026. And we're going to go ahead and create, but I'm not going to create this time because I had already created a folder for that. So now I'm going to show you where you're going to find the folder, because if you click here, it's not necessarily going to open the folder for you. It's just going to show you, or just select the folder. So you go to My Drive on the left hand side bar, and you double click on Daily Receipts 2026. And I had already created a folder for January 2026. So I just want to show you that it is empty. I haven't put anything there. So you're going to go ahead and create more folders for the next 12 months where you're going to organize all of your receipts and any other documents. You can go ahead, you feel free to create other folders related to your business. So, yeah, you can go ahead and create folders as I am doing right now. I will create up until July. Okay, awesome. Now we're going to go ahead and upload the receipts from your PC, from your cell phone, from your WhatsApp. Remember, we created a folder or a group in WhatsApp where you're going to take a picture every time immediately after you make a purchase of your business and save it there. So after doing that, you'll just transfer your pictures and into your my drive, onto your Google Drive. So as you can see, I am now uploading from my folders because I had already done or taken the pictures earlier, and I have everything uploaded now. Awesome. So now I'm going to show you how to use Gemini. I normally use Gemini for my business stuff. What's cool about Gemini is actually you can create separate folders, separate topics, and you can continue from wherever in that specific topic. So now I'm going to show you how I use AI to read my receipts for me so I can skip the whole admin work of having to manually type in the expenses or the receipts that the monies that I receive. So I just paste or copy that receipt onto Google Gemini. The cool thing about this again, guys, is that you can upload as many receipts as you want. I think the minimum is 5. I don't know. I haven't uploaded anything more than 5 receipts. So what I do is I just copy and paste my prompt, which is in one of the documents that I also provide that has AI prompts that will help you leverage when it comes to bookkeeping work, because bookkeeping work can be very tedious. Okay, so we're gonna let Gemini now process all of the information with the prompt that I gave Gemini. Basically, I told Gemini, please list or organize these receipts into columns, and I gave the columns in which it should categorize. So what's cool about Gemini also is that after it extracts all of that information for you into that table that you specified, you can easily copy and paste that information onto your spreadsheet. So that's like probably you have minimized 10 minutes off of your normal work of having to manually type or manually do your bookkeeping. On the next video, I will show you how to leverage AI when it comes to bookkeeping. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow for more informative videos.